And here is our Thursday Teishoku. Let's start with 150 grams of Japanese rice. And today I'll make the rice a little softer. The same amount of water. And let's add just a little more in another half. A tablespoon of soy sauce and a teaspoon of katsuobushi, which is shaved bonito fish. Mix it a little. This rice turns out very tasty, really delicious. And now just let it cook. Now let's prepare our chawanmushi, which is our savory pudding with 3 eggs. This one is medium to large size. I always make extra, because I eat it later too. 400 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of fish dashi, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, it can be any brand you like, and 1 tablespoon of mirin. Now just mix everything really well until it becomes homogeneous. It's really quick. And here, I'm going to add shrimp and mushrooms, and it's up to your taste. You can use any mushroom you like, and here goes our egg. Don't fill it up too much to the brim, because it expands a little in volume. Yes, it's great, and it's a delicious dish for those who have tried it and know it. Once you try it, you'll always want to eat this dish. It's great to have at night, and it's full of nutrients. All right, I'll make it in 3 containers, just spread it well, and I'll prepare the rest of the eggs separately. With this recipe, I can make about 6 little containers of this size. Just cover it with aluminum foil, seal it well, and that's it. Two, 3, 2. 3. Put it in our bamboo steamer, which is made for steaming. If you don't have one, you can also use a couscous steamer, or whatever you have at home to do it. Steamed. Thank you. Just cover it and let's steam it. And here, with the water boiling, just put our pot in and let it steam for 25 minutes. While our chawanmushi is steaming and our rice is cooking, let's cut a little cabbage to put in our miso soup, our miso shiru. Here, just slice it very thinly. The amount is to taste. Put everything in our pot, and now 500 ml of water, a teaspoon of fish dashi, and a light stir. And now, turn the heat to maximum and let it boil. And many people ask me, Kazu, again, miso soup in the Teishoku? It's because miso soup in the Teishoku is like gohan. For Japanese people, rice is a must. Meanwhile, just slice a pork loin fillet. Like this, about this thickness. You can cut it thinner if you want. A really quick dish that you can make any day of the week too. This really easy pork loin. Done. And now you just need to season it with a little bit of black pepper and vinegar. No salt. Just mix it a little and leave it here for about 5 minutes. Here, our cabbage has started to boil. Let's leave it like this for a minute and turn it off. After a minute, just turn it off. Let's let it cool down just a little bit before adding our miso so we don't lose the nutrients. Just a little bit. Let's let it rest. Wait for 3 minutes and then add the miso. After 3 minutes, just add a tablespoon of miso. I'm using this miso, but you can use waka miso too. Also, use this strainer to make it easier to dissolve the miso. It's really quick. There you go. You can taste it now. If you want it saltier, just add a little more miso or salt. And here, we'll use half an onion. Let's slice it really thin like this. Onion with miso. It's a perfect combination because we're going to fry our pork with miso. And the onion. It goes really well with miso and with pork too, since it's going to be sliced really thin. Prepare the sauce for the meat with a tablespoon of miso. It's shiro miso as well. 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of cooking sake, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now just mix well until it dissolves. If there are just a few little lumps left, that's okay, because when you fry it, they'll dissolve too, and that's just fine. A little bit of oil in the frying pan, add the meat. All of it, onion, and fry until golden. Until the meat is not raw, but still a bit raw, right? And the onion is soft, but cold. Everything well fried. Now lower the heat to the minimum, add all our sauce. And let it fry here for about a minute and a half, until all the flavor is absorbed by the meat. And like this, always stirring. The liquid is almost gone. Now that it's reached this point, we can turn it off. This meat turns out very tasty. Make it at home, it's worth it. Add a little bit of green onion. Here, our chawanmushi is ready now. And look how beautiful our miso soup turned out. Which is delicious and very simple. And the cabbage gives a really special flavor to our miso soup. And our rice, it's well seasoned and really tasty. And it's a rice that goes well with any kind of dish. Also our meat with miso, the rice, the miso soup, and the chawanmushi. Just a little bit of green onion. And our Thursday Teishoku is ready. Our buta miso, a simple and cozy meal with ingredients you might have at home. And for sure, it's going to be a hit at home.